So yes, a very good morning, student. So today we are going to cover lesson number 4. A tiger tells his story. So you will be wondering that how can a tiger tell his story? So in this chapter we are going to learn that how. Now what are we going to cover in this chapter? So in this chapter, first of all, we are going through the characteristics, how they look, what they eat, and next thing we are going to cover, that is the tiger is known as the national animal of our country, and tiger feels very proud of it. And thirdly, we are going to learn that how tigers learn hunting. So you all know that you some of may you know and some of may you not know that. So in this chapter we will learn that the tiger belongs to the cat family. Yes, we also have a family. We have mother, father, sister, brother, and all the members. So same way, the tiger belongs to the cat family. So the lion, the leopard, the jaguar, and the lynx are the members of this cat family. Okay, they belong to the same family. So they are the different person. The lion, the leopard, the jaguar, and the lynx are the members of cat family. So the tiger is the largest member of cat family. Who is the largest member? Tiger is the largest member of a cat family, and so that's why it is so the tiger is called so. So the from the nose to tail, from the nose to tail, you can see from the nose of the tiger to the tail of the tiger is 10 feet long, and the weight of the tiger is 350 kilogram. So how much feet long the tiger is? Tiger is 1050, sorry, 10 feet long, and what is the weight? 350 kilogram. The weight of the tiger is 350 kilogram, and the tigers are found in different part of Asia. So Asia is a continent. What Asia is? Asia is a continent. So Asia is a continent, and in that part of Asia, India also comes under. So you know that in India, so the tiger feels so proud because we Indians have named the tiger as our national animal. So you all know that the tiger is our national animal. So that's why the tiger is so proud. Proud means government. So the tiger is so proudly that we Indians gave him a place that a tiger is a national animal. Now, and because it are national animal, so nowadays no one kills, like before also, no one kills the tiger for the skin. Like suppose earlier times the tiger skin was used to make jackets and all, but these days or before some years, the tigers are not killed because it is a national animal. And the body of tiger has, you can see in the picture of a lovely coat. It has yellow and an orange strip on it, and a narrow black, a very narrow black strips on the body. Yes, the lion cheeks are white, and the inner side of lion body, you can see in the picture in the stomach, it is, the legs are also white. Okay, and the tiger has a very large white spot near on each eye, and they have also white whiskers. Now you will be asking me the meaning of whisker. Whisker means those long hairs near the mouth. Okay, you can see, if you see a cat also has a whisker. Okay, so those long hairs near the mouth of a tiger, leopard, lion, anything. So these are known as the whisker. The eyes of a tiger are very large or and round in shape. Okay, and they can see, because of the large and round of shape, they can see clearly at night. Okay, mostly the lion hunts at night only. Okay, so and they have a very sharp eyes and a good nose. Okay, the eyes are also, the ears are very sharp and a good nose. They can smell easily where the prey is. Okay, and they can hear the lowest sound. Okay, they can also hear the pin drop silence also, like when those small insects when they fly near the tiger, they get sound of that also and they eat them. Okay, and they have pads like those, like this, suppose this is a tiger legs. Okay, tiger legs, and the lower part, they have a pads, so when they walk it doesn't make a noise. So like suppose you have seen cow and horse, when they walk you can hear some noise, but when the tiger walks you can't hear a noise, because if the tiger is going for a hunting, and if that animal can hear the sound of the paws of tiger, it will run away. So that's why their paws have pads, so when they walk they make no noise and they can hunt easily. Okay, and meat is the favorite. What is the favorite food? The favorite food of lion is, sorry, the favorite food of tiger is meat. What is the favorite food? The favorite food of tiger is meat. They love to eat meat and they don't like fruits and vegetables. Yes, like other animals, that's why it is known as carnivorous animal also. Those animals eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous animals. Sorry, those animals eat other animals, they are known as carnivorous animals. So tigers love to eat meat, so that's why they are known as carnivorous animal, and they don't love fruits and vegetables at all. They love the flesh of other animals like pigs, goat and deer, and they also like buffalo meat also. Which means buffalo meat, and they kill animal only when they are hungry, and they never kill any animal for the sport. Like whenever you can see, when we are hungry we need food. Okay, and whenever we are hungry we tell our mummy to give us food. Same way, whenever tigers are hungry, they eat flesh, they go for hunting. Okay, they go for hunting and they eat flesh of other animal when their stomach is full, and they don't hunt any animal. Okay, so, and they don't like hot sun. Yes, during summer they don't go, that's why. And they love cool and mainly the uh, tiger are found in forest, so they love the cool weather and the shade of trees. And what is the specialty of tiger? That they sleep at daytime and they hunt at night time. Yes, it is totally different to other animals. What they do, they sleep when it is during the daytime. They sleep, and when the night time start coming, they go for a hunting. And the tiger don't hunt in packs. Pack means group of animals hunting. So tiger go alone. They don't go with other companion. They go alone for hunting, and they love to hunt alone. Yes, tiger, what they love? They love to hunt alone, and they eat in a quiet place where there is no one. They just hunt that animal and bring that animal to a quiet place, and they drag it. Okay, they kill that animal and they drag it, and they come to the they come to a very quiet place. They sit over there, and they start eating. Okay, and when they start eating and the summer is the stomach they fill up, they go to the river and drink water from there. So this is the specialty, that they don't hunt during the day, they hunt at night. And the tiger can run very fast. It cannot. You can see a tiger running. You might have seen in the videos and all that a tiger run very fast, and the tiger can swim also. Yes, these tigers can swim also, but they cannot climb trees. Yes, other animals can climb trees, but tigers are not cannot climb trees, and they can jump from a feet of 18 feet. Yes, you can see how long they. Yes, you have seen the videos of tiger hunting. So they jump very high, like 18 feet approx. So where even now you will be having a question that where do the tiger live and who is the tiger mother, brother, and all. So the forest is the home for tiger, and when the tiger was young, they lived with their mother. Yes, when they are small babies, they live with their mother and the others, brother and sister too, and they live in a family. But when they become older or elder, so when they are young, they live with their mother. But when they are when they are elder, when they grown up, they leave their mother and they go alone for hunting. Like when they are small, like you all are students, you come to school and we teach you a lesson how to read, how to be in good manners. Like when you are too small, you comes in nursery, we tell us you to how to eat, what are the good habits. Same way, when the tiger is young, the mother tell the tiger how to go for a hunting. So what mother teaches to the tiger, mother teaches that how should they hunt. Yes, because hunting is their main habit. So sorry, so they they go and do the when they are young, the mother teaches them how to hunt. And this is the only art which is known by the tiger. So and they learn very quickly. Yes, because this is the main habit of that tiger. So they learn very quickly. Yes, like we humans, when we are taught something like eating and all when we are small, so that is our art, so we learn very quickly. Same way, when the mother tiger teaches the young baby tiger hunting, they learn very quickly. And they so the hunting is their main food, so they have to learn it. Like we all human needs studies and all is the most important part of our life. Okay, so when we come to school, our teacher teaches us to how to write, how to recitate, how to read lesson. Same way, when tiger mother also teaches them how to hunt, and they have a very big house in a cave. Cave means gufa. Yes, tigers lives in cave, so they have a very big